Let's open one data set. Okay, let's just open this one. Okay, it's open. We have to create a new channel, and let's C3, C4, EOG left, right, and where is EMG? EMG. So the file is open. So now we can simply load the annotations, which is this one. And there you go. You have the sleep scores here. You also have artifacts automatically detected. So there's one artifact here. You can see. And there are a few more, one more here. Let's see. And that could be useful for power analysis, for example. And all the epochs with low confidence are also marked using this black box kind of thing.